Walk onto the top of mat. Now join your hands against your chest. Take a deep breath. Release. Now inhale along, slowly taking your hands forward up over your head. Stretch your pelvic slightly and hold. Now exhale, keeping your spine nice and long. Bend forward and try to touch your head with the knees. Hold. Place your hands on the ground. Kick your left leg back for a lunge. Inhale. Exhale and take the right leg back and take a child pose. Stretch your shoulders and hold. Now, slowly with control, chin comes down. Make a scoop with your head, peeping out from your hands and pose a cobra stretch. Hold on there. Place your toes on the ground. Pull your hips up and do a downward cow pose. Push your shoulders down and hold. Place your left foot forward for a lunge. Hold on there. Now, also take your right leg forward. Place both the legs together and again do a forward bend. Touch your knees with your head. Slowly go up and bend your back to make an arc. Do a warm namaskar and relax.